As Shopify's top education partner, I know for sure the value of speaking to a real person, a real live support agent, and not just having back and forth continually with AI bots, which can get sometimes frustrating, especially when you're just saying, I want to speak to a human, and they just ignore you. And I'm going to show you how to get around that in this quick tutorial. But firstly, I got to say that Shopify's support has become increasingly amazing through their AI bots. It's just getting better and better every single year. So this tutorial is probably less important, but if you're watching it, then you know that you really want to speak to a real person, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that on the screen. So 2 things that I find are important here is firstly the page that you're on, and I like to choose one that would definitely get their attention. This page here in the Shopify Help Center is about deactivating your store. So choose one. I'll link this up below. You can choose this one or go into cancellation or billing errors or something like that. And on the right hand side, we've got this live chat. And now we need to put in a phrase that's going to get somebody's attention, because there are some keywords that would be red flagged as more likely to speak to an agent and not just have the back and forth with the chatbots, which you're probably familiar with. So this phrase here is what I find seems to work. I have a billing problem and need help to cancel my account. Now, of course, I'm not going to do that. I just want to get somebody's attention. I want to hit those red flags. I want to be escalated, and this seems to do the trick. Sometimes it takes a bit of back and forth. And I've got to say that you do nowadays have to be logged into one of your stores so that you can do this. And let me prompt them a little bit more. To cancel. Please give me the steps to cancel. No, I'm not going to cancel. I just want to speak to a real person. And this feels like a bit of a dirty way to get around it, because what I want to do is I'm not going to cancel. I just want to speak to somebody. How do I cancel a subscription? Oh, I clicked the wrong one. How do I cancel a subscription? Here we go. This is looking good. Now it's giving me the steps, and there we go. Boom. That's what I was looking for. Chat to a support advisor. Here we go. We have now bypassed all the AI walls and all the barriers that they put in front of us. And right now I'm in a live waiting room, 5 minutes approximately, to chat to a real person. And it does still tell me that it still wants to help me via the AI bot, and I could have a chat. But if I really just want to speak to somebody, I could wait the 5 minutes and chat to a real person. This does work. This is the steps. Go ahead and use it. I will give you the necessary details below. But remember to subscribe for more amazing tips.